You must have the revelation of who God is. And then you must know who you are. If you start by exploring who you are, you're already in trouble, because you need a guide and you need a reference point. In geography, there's what they call true north. It's a position that guides a reference from wherever you are. It is dangerous to begin to explore self-discovery without knowing God, because there are many templates. There must be a basis for your pursuit. Science has an opinion of who you are. Sociology has an opinion of who you are. Culture has an opinion of who you are. Your failures have an opinion of who you are. Is that true? Your job has an opinion of who you are. It's important you throw those things away and find out what God has said you are, and then begin to grow into that which he has said.